The man accused of killing Jasmine Pace is due back in court tomorrow. Jason Chen's bond hearing was rescheduled for tomorrow at noon. We're expecting to hear from witnesses from both sides in this case. Liam Collins has been following it from the beginning. What can we expect tomorrow, Liam?
Cindy, tomorrow attorneys are expected to make the case for why Jason Chen's bond should be lowered. He's currently being held on no bond. And we're also learning tonight the case that prosecutors are going to have to make to ultimately get a conviction.
Jason Chen is expected to be back in court Friday to face a judge again. Attorneys are expected to argue over setting his final bond. He was arrested and is being held without one.
If a defendant's being held without bail, then obviously the only way you can go is down.
Stephen Hatchett is a criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor. He has no involvement in the case, but spoke generally with Local 3 News about bond hearings and murder trials.
It's very difficult to hold someone without bail in the state of Tennessee. Typically what you will have, though, is bail gets set, but bail is set, say, $5 million.
Jason Chen was arrested for the murder of Jasmine Pace. Her body was found off Suck Creek Road a week and a half after she went missing. Chen's arrest warrants say police found bloodstains, glass, and Jasmine's belongings inside of his North Shore apartment. He's being charged with criminal homicide. District Attorney Cody Womp says she plans to pursue a first-degree murder charge.
You do have to prove that it was homicide, and that the defendant acted intentionally and with premeditation.
Prosecutors and defense attorneys are expected to call witnesses to testify at Friday's hearing. Hatchett says the goal for prosecutors is to present enough probable cause that Chen could be guilty of murder, a standard he says that's much lower than reasonable doubt.
One of the factors in determining bail is the strength of the state's case. If you have a low likelihood of conviction, that is a factor that the court is to take into consideration in setting bail.
Chen is due in court at noon tomorrow. Meanwhile, Jasmine Pace's family laid her to rest today. They had her funeral at 3 o'clock today at the Calvary Baptist Church in Red Bank. We're live from the Hamilton County Courthouse tonight. Liam Collins, Local 3 News.